In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-language website in Webflow in 2025, a skill that's incredibly useful for businesses reaching out to a global audience. Having a website tailored to different languages can greatly enhance user experience and broaden your site's accessibility. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, making it simple and clear. First, open your web browser and navigate to Webflow's homepage. Webflow is a versatile platform that empowers you to design and launch your own custom websites without needing to write code. It's a visual website builder, making it accessible and user-friendly. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is log in. If you already have an account, simply click on the Login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials, and you'll be directed straight to your dashboard. Once you've landed on your Webflow dashboard, you have access to all your projects and workspaces. This is the hub where all the magic happens. Locate the project you want to work with. This could be an existing project that you wish to make multilingual. Click on the project to open it. Engaging with your project through the dashboard provides a seamless way to manage your website settings and content. Next, direct your attention to the Localization section. You'll find this option within your project settings. Clicking on Localization will lead you to the features that enable you to translate and manage multiple language versions of your site. Webflow makes it relatively straightforward to manage these settings, ensuring each language version of your site retains your design's integrity and user experience. While setting up the localization, consider which languages you wish to add to your site. Think about your audience and where they're located. Adding languages that cater to your main audience is crucial for improving communication and engagement. Webflow provides tools to translate your content efficiently. But remember, ensuring accurate translation is key. So if possible, working with a professional translator is recommended. And that's it. You've now set the foundation for a multi-language website on Webflow. This process ensures that you can reach a wider, international audience without compromising on the quality and design of your site. Keep in mind to regularly check your language settings as well as any updates Webflow may roll out to improve the localization features. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in understanding how to create a multi-language website on Webflow in 2025. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher as you expand your website's reach. Thanks for watching, and happy Webflow designing!